Inspect what you expect. Now, that's a saying we've probably all heard a number of times, but what does it really mean to you? Does it mean that you're able to look at something after it's already happened so that maybe we can correct it before it happens again in the future? Or is it something that you can take care of by identifying and addressing it in real time? Well, now there's another phrase, real time, that honestly may mean different things to different people. Oddly enough, it seems pretty self-explanatory, but what does real time mean in your shop? Is it something that we're talking about work in progress? Is it something that hasn't even been sold yet? Is it something that you say, oh, you know what, this just happened, but now I can know immediately? Within Tekmetric, we have what we call real-time reporting, but it is true real-time, as in what's on your job board. If you close anything, what closed? You can look at a combination of the two. You can look at only what's open, only what's closed, even have a look at a job that's only been created, not even sold yet. But more importantly, you can inspect what you expect. If you expect cars to be done in a certain amount of time, you expect to flow from one step to another in a seamless and efficient way, you can do that. You can see where the backlogs are, what service advisors have what cars, or how much money is in each status. This allows you to address them in real time as opposed to waiting until it's already done. Nothing can change, but maybe next time we can do better. Can you inspect what you expect? Well, with real-time reporting, you absolutely can. Let Tekmetric help you and your shop get and stay ahead of your shop's workflow. We'll talk to you soon.